Had to rush out here this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look, we have got an awesome storm about to go on, but there are so many types of clouds going on right now. I mean, like over here, it's really dark, really dark. I've been kind of wanting a storm now. Oh, lightning. I know a lot of people don't like storms, but they're the coolest thing. Oh, lightning! Yeah, it's really awesome out today. I'm gonna go around and try to get more pictures. The my camera's gone, so anyway, I guess I'm gonna stand out here in the rain for a while. That is really cool though. I think I'm gonna have to drive up and get that better. That's about it. I thought this was really cool. Hey, maybe I'll get some lightning over here. So, it's just really, we got some cool kind of clouds going on today. And as you can see way back there, it's, well, I don't know, kind of orangish. So, we might, gonna finally get a really good storm today.